Somewhere behind his faraway eyes and gentle smile, the Pisces man is already dreaming. He's not like the others. This man lives in a world made of moods, music, and memory. He swims in the deep water of feelings, pulled by tides that most don't even notice. Governed by Neptune, he's forever in love with love itself. Not just the person, but the idea, the emotion, the surrender. And if you're finding yourself falling for one, wondering how to reel in this elusive soul without shattering the spell, you are not alone. Let us know your date of birth and zodiac sign in the comments and see how your cosmic rhythm might blend with his. Because loving a Pisces man isn't about chasing him down, it is about dancing in the currents where he already drifts. To catch the heart of a Pisces man, you must become a mystery he longs to unravel. Don't unfold all your petals at once. Leave questions in your wake layers of silence. Smiles that seem to mean more than they say. He doesn't just want to know who you are. He wants to feel it. He wants to dream about it before he ever touches it. Mystery is the thread that keeps him pulling closer, gently but persistently. That air of elusiveness makes him chase not out of conquest, but out of curiosity. When he can sense there's more to you than what meets the eye, he doesn't lose interest. He sinks deeper. And even as he begins to feel at home, preserve that sense of sacred unknown, a little secrecy. A touch of unpredictability yet feeds his imagination and helps keep the connection alive long after the first embrace. But mystery alone won't anchor him. Loyalty does. He may appear to float through life, but in relationships, the Pisces man craves stability in its most emotional form, trust. Show him that your heart stands firm, that you don't flinch when others stumble, that you remain when things grow quiet or messy. He notices how you treat your family, your friends, even strangers. He reads people intuitively, and if your loyalty wavers, he will feel it before you speak it. And yet, it's kindness that seals the bond. Pisces men aren't just sensitive, they are empathic by nature. They respond to emotional honesty and acts of compassion, especially when offered freely. You don't have to make grand gestures. Often, it's the quiet acts that speak loudest. Ask how his day really was. Show up when he's down. Pay attention when he doesn't ask for help but needs it anyway. Let your warmth ripple into the spaces he hides. Before we dive deeper, let the stars guide you. Subscribe to Arcana of Pisces and join a community that understands the language of intuition and heart. Now, when it comes to romance, a Pisces man doesn't want performance, he wants poetry. He wants love that's soft and surprising. A bath by candlelight, a handwritten note under his pillow, a dance in a living room with no music but your laughter. Even in intimacy, he seeks emotional closeness over intensity. He wants to feel adored, wanted, chosen, and he'll return it tenfold with sweetness and sensuality. But here's where the dreamer in him takes a back seat when it comes to practical matters. He's often not the one in charge. The Pisces man can be driven in his career, but in love, he drifts. He prefers to follow rather than lead in the logistics of life. He'll delight in you picking the restaurant, planning the getaway, or organizing a cozy evening in. Don't take it as laziness. It's a kind of surrender. He loves letting you guide the boat while he sets the emotional atmosphere. Like and flow with this rhythm if your heart beats to the same frequency. Every gentle tap sends our message further into the cosmic sea. Hosting comes naturally to some, but for a Pisces man, it's more about the feeling than the flair. He loves when a partner knows how to make people feel at ease. It isn't about the fanciest dinner where it's about laughter in the kitchen warmth in the lighting, hugs that linger. If you can create a space where he and his guests feel loved and seen, he'll be mesmerized. He may not say it out loud, but he watches how you move through shared spaces. Grace, kindness, and a welcoming spirit are aphrodisiacs to his soul. He's also drawn to those who give without needing applause. If you volunteer, donate, or even just pause to help someone carry their groceries, Pisces men gravitate toward those who care about the collective, not just the self. They are natural humanitarians. Partnering with someone who shares that generosity of spirit makes him feel deeply understood. It is not about being perfected. It's about having a heart that extends beyond your own needs. Now, if you're fixated on surface things, designer bags, status, social clout, he may not say anything, but his energy will pull away. Pisces men can appreciate beauty, but they're not captivated by gloss. They care more about the story behind your eyes than the shine of your shoes. If you're grounded in who you are and don't need luxury to validate your worth, he'll feel a kinship. Authenticity is magnetic to him. It lets him lower his guard. And if he's working long hours or getting lost in a creative project, don't take it as detachment. His work ethic is part of his inner drive. And though he may not always balance it well, his ambition is fueled by purpose. If you criticize his devotion to his dreams, he may feel unsupported or misunderstood. But if you have passions of your own and cheer him on while nurturing your path to he, LLC you as his mirror, his muse. His energy responds to someone who is chasing something meaningful, just like he is. And one of the simplest, most powerful things you can do for him, compliment him, not to flatter, but to affirm. A Pisces man needs to hear that he is seen, appreciated, desired, whether it's how his laugh makes you melt, how he lights up a room, or how safe you feel in his arms. Tell him. Let him overhear you gushing about him to your friends. Leave little reminders of your admiration where he'll find them. These aren't just boosts to his ego, they're fuel for his love. So what really makes a Pisces man go wild, it isn't the loudest voice or the boldest move. It's the steady ripple of love whispered through mystery, loyalty, kindness, and soul. It's the kind of connection that isn't rushed or forced but flows. Let us know in the comments what makes your Pisces go wild, or what wild stories you have from loving one. And if you felt that spark of understanding, don't forget to like this video to send its message deeper into the zodiac tides. Subscribe to Arcana of Pisces to keep swimming in sync with the stars. Until next time, may your love be deep, your dreams vivid, and your heart always open to the mystery.